Here's a picture of two types of bird hazers made from Flockfree Bird Control. One on the right is a Tweetzilla mounted on a base and cemented in the ground. Same thing. The one on the left is a Moby, puts direct haze into the air. Same thing, mounted into the ground with cement, very sturdy. Tried to make them so they blended in. And we are using them to help keep seagulls out of the pool. All the music they have pumping around here, it is no problem with the noise level, and the pool is getting much better. We are right in the thick of things here, and the hotel is thrilled. Tweetzilla Moby by Flockfree Bird Control.